element, compound and mixture for 7th class. So today we will discuss the formula of many chemicals which are using in our daily life. You are using in your home, but you don't know what is the formula and what is the chemical name of that particular substances. So first I want to make you understand gas which are using in your house. It is not given in a book, but I want to make you understand what is the chemical formula, what is the chemical name of that particular substance. Like your LPG gas. LPG gas. Its the full form is that liquid petroleum gas. Liquid petroleum gas. You know what is the chemical name of that gas is that? Isobutane. Isobutane. What is the iso? What is the normal butane? You will discuss about in 10th class, in higher classes. But even in 7th class, there is no need to know what is the iso and normal butane. Simple. You must know which gas is used. Butane. Which butane? Isobutane. And formula is that C4H10. Simple. Actually, structures are different from normal butane and isobutane, but for you and for your class, simple. Learn the formula C4H10. How many carbons are there? 4. And how many hydrogens are there? 10. That is the formula of isobutane. And that gas is used in your LPG. Actually, this gas is a smellless gas. It cannot smell. But when your gas cylinder is releasing and leaking, during leakage, you can smell out and you can say that, Mom, gas is smelling. Actually, that gas containing ethyl mercaptan. That is other chemicals. Ethyl mercaptan. Now, next formula is that table salt. Table salt. Why I am writing table salt? Because there are lots of salt which are using in medicine, which are using in chemical laboratory, in dye. But when we talk about table salt, means that which are used in our food. That is table salt. And its chemical name is that sodium chloride. Formula is that NaCl. That is a table salt. Even you are using cold drinks in this day. In a summer season, you used to have a cold drink. Actually, that cold drink is an acid. Acid. And what is that? The name of that acid is that carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. How it is formed, my dear student? We know that cold drink containing which gas? Which part? Water. And which gas is dissolved here? Carbon dioxide. And both combine to form H2CO3. That is the name is that carbonic acid. H2CO3. Carbonic acid. So my dear students, it's my humble request, when you are empty stomach, please don't drink cold drink, because already acids are there in your stomach and extra acid you are taking from outside. What will happen? That acid will corrode your wall of stomach. That may lead to major wound, that is called ulcer in your stomach. So please, in an empty stomach, don't try to drink it. That is a carbonic acid. Next is that baking soda. Baking soda means baking powder, which is used in your house for making pua and for making khajur, which make it puffy and fluffy. Even it is used in cake. What is the formula of that? NaHCO3. Its name is that sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its formula is that sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. CO3 stands for carbonate. That is the formula of baking soda. Again, acetic acid. Acetic acid. What is, my dear student, acetic acid? Vinegar. You are using vinegar. What is vinegar? It is used in your chow mein, fried rice, especially it is used in Chinese food. And the formula of vinegar, the chemical name of vinegar is that acetic acid, and formula is that CH3COOH. That is the formula of acetic acid, and in vinegar, CH3COOH. That is the formula of acetic acid, which is used in vinegar. 30% it is used. There is no need to understand. Now, these are many common chemicals which are using in our daily life. Even in your cleansing surf, cleansing action things like surf, detergent, it contain, what is contained? Sodium carbonate. It contains sodium carbonate. Your surf, your detergent, actually it containing sodium polyminate and sodium acetate, but these are the compounds which are using for making that. The formula is that Na2CO3. That is the formula of sodium carbonate. Here is the formula of sodium bicarbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. But here is that sodium carbonate, here not hydrogen. Clear? Sodium carbonate. One more thing, gas. Few gases are given in your books, like water. Water you can also, these it has 3 states, we know that: solid, liquid and gas, and formulas are same. So what is the formula of water? Is that H2O. Formula of water is H2O. Formula of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Di means 2. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? That is the formula of carbon dioxide. It is the very easiest thing to learn. Please try to understand. Again, one formula is given. What is the name of that formula? Calcium oxide. Formula is CaO. Formula of calcium oxide is that calcium and oxygen combined form calcium oxide, CaO. That is a common name. Again, it is given, one formula is given in your book, methane. CH4, methane. These are simple things. Again, these are very important things. I am going to make you understand, my dear students. Try to understand. Sugar. Sugar. Its chemical name is that sucrose. And you know what is the formula? C22O11. That is the formula of sugar. 12 carbon, 22 hydrogen and 11 oxygen combined to form sugar. Its chemical name is that sucrose. Sucrose. Even you are using glucose in your home. Glucose is known as a instant energy giver. Glucose, you know very well. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. Actually fructose is also there, but we don't need to understand. Simple know the formula of glucose. C6H12O6, that is simple name of glucose. We are having glucose, but we don't know the formula of glucose. Ammonia gas. It is a rotten fishy smelling you can get in toilet. In toilet used to smell that gas. That gas is known as ammonia, and ammonia gas. Ammonia. What is the name of ammonia gas? Sorry. NH3. That is the name of ammonia gas. Here must be written in small form, that is found in the gaseous state. That is the ammonia, NH3. It is given in your book, I think. Yes, how it is formed? 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen combined to form ammonia gas. Actually, ammonia gas, ammonia compounds are very essential, which are using for making many fertilizers, which increase the fertility of soil. So, my dear student, these are the simple common formula of compound which are using in our daily life. So, try to learn all these formula. Even few formulas are given in your book also. So, try to understand and try to learn that the formula of given particular substances. It may be asked in your examination, given in the first unit. It may be asked in your final examination, because it is very important. So my humble request, try to learn and try to write in your book and papers. Thank you.